kumana na kuhingurirwo gwa ceceni ya guthima riera miena-ini ino. Uriteithagiriria guthima wiingi wa mbura itanaitika niguo uria urigumagirwo uria urugamirerwo urihuthagirwo guthima mbura itanaitika mutaratara uria urugamirerwo kimbeca ni ruhonge rwa adaptation fund rungu rwa unep. Getamukira ripoti ino.
My name's Hilda Luoga. I'm Projects Development Officer for the Lake Victoria Basin Commission, and we are here at Siaya County today to inspect and also receive the very important equipment for weather prediction. This is automated weather stations. This is the courtesy from our development partners, from the Adaptation Fund through UNEP, and we also appreciate the partner states for the Lake Victoria Basin. These weather predictions, they are automated and therefore they are very important. And for Republic of Kenya, we have installed in 2 counties, the county of Busia and the county of Siaya.
Thank you, the Lake Victoria Basin Commission, for giving us additional automatic weather station to help us in our infrastructure, the methodological infrastructure. We are aiming at a 5x5 kilometer infrastructure. Of course, we are around there. If we can give them at least more than around 10 automatic weather stations, then we'll be there. The automatic weather station help us in the accuracy of our data, in our focus, because we'll be getting data as per in a close range, where by now the accuracy will be increased.
Ripoti ingĩ kuma kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Kisii.